Yeah, I will click on a microphone button over here and say, hey Google Keep Notes clone, can you please create a note for me? Hey there, this is Veeresh Halli, and today I would like to give a demonstration of my project called Keep Notes Clone. It's a clone of Google Keep Notes where we will have all the notes at one particular place. Okay, I will quickly run the server by typing python manage.py and run server. Python manage.py run server, and the server has started at the port number 8000. I will go to Google and type yeah, it is saying that go to home/home. Okay, /home. Okay, to create a node in Google Keep Notes clone, we should be a member of it, and it's here to log in. It's saying to log in here. I will register a member as Arun. Email arun@gmail.com. Password, and I will confirm the password now. I will hit register, and it is saying that our account successfully registered for Arun, and I will log in now. Username Arun, and the password is Arun's password. Yeah, this is how the interface of Google Keep Notes clone look like. And when I click on menu button over here, it will show notes, create label, add image, voice note. And if I click on hi Arun, it will show the username and the email address and a logout option over here. Okay, we will see how we can create a note and the functions of all these icons over here one after another. Okay, let me click on this plus icon here, and it is asking for the title. I will write as Arun's first note, and description as Arun's first note description. Okay, I will save the note. Okay, it is showing me the Arun's first note and Arun's first note description and the modified date. Now the time is exact 23rd March 11:50 p.m. It is showing the time right over here. Okay, now I want to edit the first note because I made some mistake over here. Think that I made a mistake and I want to edit it, and I will write first note description, and I edited it successfully. Okay, I updated it and wrote I edited it here, and I will click on update note. Okay, now it is updated and showing the time as 11:54 p.m. and the time is 11:54 p.m. now. Okay, now I want to insert an image in the nodes. How can I do that? Because if you have observed in create node, we don't have option to insert an image. It is only asking for the title and node, but it is not asking for the image. How can we do that? We can solve that by using this image icon over here. When we click on image icon here, it is asking for the title, node, and a file to insert. Okay, I will give title as my first image node and description as my first image node description, and I will insert an image. I will choose image from the gallery. Okay, I will choose this one and hit save note. Yeah, it is showing me that my first image node, and it is showing the file, and modified date is 24th March. Time is 12 a.m. now. Yeah, we have successfully created an image node, and when I click on it, we can update it, and I can clear the image by clicking on the by checking it, and I can choose a different image, and we can do whatever we want to do with it now. Arun is a lazy guy who hates to type and also wants to create a note. Can he do that? Of course, he can create a note by using this microphone option over here. If he press this and say, "Hey Google Keep Notes clone, can you please create a note for me?" It will be typed over here. And he can simply copy this line and paste it over here. Converting from voice to text will not be 100% accurate, so copy and paste option is given here. I just copied the above line and pasted here, and I will give the title as my first voice note, and I will save the note here. Okay, the note is saved here, and this is my first voice note, and it is showing the date as 27th March 11:47 p.m. Today is 27th March. Actually, I stopped recording on that day because of some issues. Anyways, we can edit it and we also can delete it. This is the delete note button, and if I want to edit it, I can edit it, and edited successfully. Update note, it is updated, and the time is still 11:47. Because of that, it is showing the time as 11:47 p.m. If you want to find the particular note, we can do that by using this search bar here, and if you want to search for a word called image and hit the search icon here, it will show the note which has image word in its title. And if I want to search for voice, and it will show the results for the voice which contains voice word in its title. And if I pass nothing and hit enter, it will show all the notes. When I click on paintbrush button over here, it will redirect me to the blank page. So if you guys have any suggestions, please comment down below so that I can try to implement in the next version of Google Keep Notes clone. Let me press this back button arrow over here to go to the home page. This is how the Google Keep Notes clone looks in the desktop version, and let me show you how it looks in a mobile view. This is how it looks in a mobile view. When I click on this button, it will show all the options, and if I click on high arrow, it will show the options like this. If you found this project interesting, please hit that like button and share as many times as you can. Thanks for watching.